Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have this spruce here that I dug up last year around Christmas time, maybe in 2023 Christmas time. I dug up at my parents' house. It's been in this pot since that time, but I think it's time to repot this guy, get it in better soil, and maybe do some wiring to get it in place. This is a good example of how you can just find a tree at a friend's property or your own property and dig it up and then be able to work it into a bonsai. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's get into it. Before we get in the actual repotting process, a couple things we need to go over is that the spruce is different than other trees in the fact that they don't like aggressive root work. So as we do this, we want to be gentle with the roots and try not to remove too much of the root ball. As we start the process, here are the tools that we're going to be using and the pot. And I have a mixture of akadama and I believe crushed granite will be the soil. I'm being careful while removing the spruce from this temporary home. Spruce's roots can be sensitive, and if you don't want to disturb them too much, notice how I am gently working the soil instead of pulling on the tree. I gave the root ball a quick wash so I could be able to see the long twisted roots. I'm untangling this one because it's thick and long and we don't really want that in the pot. I'm trimming a few of the longer roots to fit in the new pot. I'm not cutting too aggressively because spruces don't respond well to heavy root pruning all at once. I'll be doing this gradually over the next few repottings. I'm positioning the tree slightly off-center for a more natural look. Spruce bonsai often have a wild, rugged appearance, so I want to lean into that. Once I have the placement right, I secure it with wire and gently work the soil around the roots. Finally, I give it a thorough watering to settle everything in place. All right, so this completes the repotting process of this spruce. Now that the tree has been repotted, we want to put it in a shady area for a few weeks. And we don't want to fertilize it just yet, but we want to keep it moist and keep it in the shade. All right, well, that's it for today. This little spruce sure has come a long way from the mountains of West Virginia all the way down to Alabama. And I'm looking forward to the journey it has now as a bonsai. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.